Hi, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing, and we're all about getting as many people out racing RC cars as possible. So good to see so many youngsters here at the MK Club. Today we have got running a novice class. We have got Tamiya touring car class. We've got the GT12s and we've also got MTCs. But the highlight for me today is going to be the Tamiya truck. So we've got a couple on the track here going round. So let's go take a look in the pits and see what trucks we've got racing today. So here is truck number one. It looks like it's had a little bit of, seen a bit of action on the track, this one. TT01, and this is running a Montec shell, and he's driving on the sticks. Now this is a cracking looking shell here. That's nice, I like that. That's a nice little touch. Running the Fly Sky radio. These are really quite nice radios. I love the adjustability of the drop down wheel there. So here it is, the Mr. Land machine. This is the truck that's probably going to win. I'm going to call it before it even starts. That's just because he's got nice pretty stickers on his wheels. Beautiful new Montec shell. This is new from Mr. Land. Okay, so here we are, first round of qualifying, and I'll tell you what, took me a little while to get used to the track, and I had a few close battles with Tom on the track. He was running that amazing looking grey shell, and I am behind with the white, red and orange. I'll tell you what, I really did enjoy chasing him around. We had some close battles on the track. So, Mr. Land is in the top spot, Tom in second. I was just 2 seconds off with this. However, I had one bad lap. That one bad lap was a 22-second lap, so I dropped about 4 seconds, and that was the difference. How do you think you're going to get on today?
I'm going to do my best.
You're going to do your best, which means we're all in trouble. We're all in trouble.
It's been a while since I've raced a truck.
Now, was this painted by Puppy Paints, or are you just promoting it?
I use it for a lot of my other shells, but I just kept a basic one.
Yeah.
So I did the shell.
Looking good. Here we go. It's another truck.
You know.
Are you enjoying the trucks more than you're enjoying the touring car at the moment?
Yes, or crashless. And it's still in one piece, so this is good.
Alright, so round two, and it's more of the same. Obviously, Tom beat me in the first round, which means I start round two behind him, but I was putting as much pressure on as I could. What I wanted to do, though, is get past clean, because I didn't want to just dive bomb up the inside and take him out. So whenever I did make contact, I eased off to make sure that he didn't actually fall over. But I am trying to take the turns a little bit tighter, trying to get up the inside, putting as much pressure on as possible in the hope that he makes a mistake and then I can come through. I think at this stage my tyres are starting to come in, the balance of the truck is looking good. My lines are getting a lot more consistent. I'm feeling confident with the truck, so therefore I was able to push, and I feel like I am definitely the faster truck out of the two of us right now. So I'm just waiting for that opportunity. I'm just not quite confident enough to dive bomb up the inside, but he's gone a little bit wide there. He's pushed me wide. I still haven't got the job done. A little bit of contact there. Paul comes flying through. Mr. Land, how do you do it? Now I'm clear of Tom. I decide to try and get on the back wheels of Paul and see if he can pull me through for some fast laps. Paul's truck is absolutely dialed. I had a good chat with him about his setup, but pushing as hard as I can, I still cannot keep with Mr. Land. So round two, and I jumped up to second. I actually managed to get onto 17 laps, but best lap is a 17.2. Top 10 average is a 17.6, which I'm really happy with, but Mr. Land, what are you doing? How do you do it? So here is the racing machine from Joel. It's gone with the Mercedes, again TT01 chassis. Nice little bit of Velcro there so you can access the body pins. And have a look inside. So here at the club we run a 21 core motor, 1060 ESC. He's actually opted for the shorty pack, so it'll be interesting to see if, as the race goes on, in order to get a little bit more front end grip, whether he's going to move this and shift the whole motor forward just to get a little bit of weight over those front wheels and help it to turn in, because it is a very tight track today. How are you getting on today?
Not too bad, not too bad.
Not too bad. I have to say, I'm a big fan of your shell. It looks absolutely stunning. We've had a few good battles on the track. Do you reckon you're going to beat me today?
Probably not, but we'll try.
Oh, you've got to try
We'll
harder
try.
than that. Try harder.
Keep trying.
We have another stunning looking truck there. Do you know what would be fun if they put all of them in one race? That would be hilarious. So here we are, it is finals time. I start second on the grid, Mr. Land out in front, and there's a little bit of carnage at the back. As predicted, Mr. Land is off up the road. Now, at this point, I have a choice. I could play it safe, slow is fast, cruise my way round, and probably pick up a comfortable second. And that's kind of what my mindset was for the first lap. But then I thought, you know what? No, let's push. Let's see if I can keep with Paul. I don't want to make any mistakes. And there we go. I make a mistake, which allows Tom back into the game. I've also got Joel just behind. Again, a couple of little mistakes there, which is meaning Tom's getting closer to the back. And as soon as you get into positions like this, there is a risk of contact, which happens just there. I was on my side. Tom waits for me. I did say that he could get moving. It was a racing incident rather than taking me out. So we've now got 3 trucks close together on the track. And again, I find myself behind Tom with Joel putting pressure on from behind. And this is what truck racing is all about. Close racing with evenly matched cars. And actually I'm quite glad I had that little incident at the beginning, because it made for a slightly more interesting race. Otherwise I would have been disappearing up the track. But at the moment Tom has got pace. He is actually going faster than I am. So I'm going to have to tighten up my lines a little bit, take a few extra riffs, try and make my turns a little bit tighter. It's a nice tight section there, and I've made up ground straight away. Again, I'm trying to get the move done as clean as possible. I don't want to be making contact. I want it to be a nice clean overtake. That's what I pride myself on. Doesn't always happen, but I do try. There you go, a little mistake from Tom, and that was it. And that was my opportunity, and now I'm off up the road. That was it really for the race. So Paul was out in front. I stayed in second for the duration, and the battle on the track was actually between Tom in third and Joel in fourth. And towards the end of the race, it was in fact Joel that took the third spot. Okay, so this was round 1 of 4 of the Milton Keynes Truck Championship. 3 rounds to count, so if you can make it to Milton Keynes every Sunday for the next 3 weeks, you can take part in the championship. If you can only make one, you can come along and take part in the racing, so you don't have to do the whole series. But say it is great fun, and at the moment I finished round 1 in second place behind the legend that is Mr. Land. So until the next time, like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and we'll see you soon.